Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of 4 ratchet straps for whatever you want to use it. But the best use for this one, of course, is going to be just in your truck, like in your bed truck. If you're into like motorcycles or just like moving stuff, if you want to kind of like need help with something that's going to be big, but you're going to want to kind of like make sure that nothing's going to happen when you're driving, when you're on the highway, when you're like in an uneven terrain or something like that. If you're transporting something heavy with your truck, this could be really good to have. So some of the facts about this one. So as you can see, number one, it comes with the 4 straps. I have 2 already that I've been using. I have 2 set up already. With the 4 straps like this one, they're super strong, they're heavy duty, and they extend up to 15 feet. Also, it comes in multiple colors in case that you want to use different color, like a camel one or orange ones. These are the black ones. It also comes with a bag that you can actually put everything inside and just like drop it in your truck bed, so that's actually pretty nice. And it also comes with 4 of the soft loops. This actually comes really handy. I kind of like realized a few days ago that comes really handy for when you're transporting something that is metal, for example, and you don't want to scratch it. So you can actually use these soft loops to avoid the ratchet being like super close to that metal part that you don't want to scratch. But the best thing about this one, I'm gonna show that one to you in a close-up in a few seconds, is this right here. This hook right here, which is extremely strong. I'm not joking, it's super strong. I do like that comes with kind of like in this shape, and it comes with a rubber pad over here so it won't damage your goods. I have 2 that are already assembled, as I was telling you before. But the good thing about this one is that it comes with a working load limit of 733 pounds, but a breaking point, like a break strength, on 2,200 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot. Let's take on a close-up, and then I'm gonna try to put something in my bed, like in my truck bed. I've been using it for transporting furniture, more than anything furniture, but as you know, you can use it for whatever you want. So I do like this hook over here, as I was telling you before. Really strong, super resistant, and with this really nice system that I like. It also comes with a soft release button over here, so you can extend this one how much as you want, but remember, it goes up to the 15 feet. And once that you made out the buckle over here, the loop, yeah, it is super simple like any other ratchet. This one is actually gonna secure all your stuff in your truck. But again, one more time, obviously it comes with the other hook on the other end, but I do like that you can do the soft loop over here. Once that you do the soft loop, you're gonna be able to hook this one in case that you don't wanna kind of like damage any of your goods with the hook or with the actual metal part. You already know how this one works. We're just gonna do this for the purpose of this video. So you put the hooks and then you do this with just the ratchet. So you're gonna see that this one is already going super strong, just a tiny bit, and we are done. This one won't move at all, so it will work for whatever thing you need. This one is gonna be really strong. I like this set. 4 ratchets up to 15 feet, 4 soft loops, 4 ratchets, as you can see over here, with the hooks, and of course the bag as well for easy transportation in your truck. I like they're super resistant, and of course I do really recommend this. Thanks for watching. See you soon.